Now we were going to go in with the Finish R by Starke. This is a really, really good polish. Elevate's right there with it, but this is newer than Elevate. But these water spots is really just way too hard on there for Finish R to cut through it. So we're actually going in with the original Restructure. You can use Level R, but I'm just using Restructure because I've never used it anymore. And you really don't need anything too hard for these fence panels because they are thin. You don't have a clear coat on here. This is really thin, so you want to be careful. Now for the small areas, like down in here, we're going to take our Milwaukee with our mini Lake Country pad, and we're going to, what you're going to do is just put one dot on here, and you're going to work it in real slow. Then you're going to turn the speed up. You don't want to stay on that spot too long, or you can burn through this and it's not going to be good. Now if you see right here, we have already got all down there. Now there are some spots on the edges where we have to go in with the mini because the regular DA buffer wouldn't get in there. Now for the big areas like right here, you can use the DA, but when you get up here to these small areas like down here, that's where this mini really comes handy. Okay, as you can see, this pad is super clogged up. You don't want to keep working with that because if you're working with a clogged flat pad, it's not going to do anything. So take your screwdriver or something and just spur it out. Now after a while, you do have to wash these pads because it just has too much buildup in it. That's about good right there. Take you some of this. Like I said, you can use Level R if you want to, but I'm just using this because it's just a pontoon. It's just the thin aluminum panel. All right, now we're going up here where we got our water spots. I'm just gonna dot it around like that. And you wanna work it in real slow. You kinda wanna push down a little bit on it. You don't wanna push down too hard. Now once you work it in, you can actually see those water spots disappear. And any dirt that's stuck in there that just won't come off from a wash, because on aluminum, it's very hard to get dirt stains out. Now you can turn it up.
And we're just using that small one because the big buffer don't fit in there. The root, it won't fit.
Correct. Oh, well, sometimes you might have some battery problems.
That battery's not that great.
Yeah. 1 second. All right, we got our bigger battery.
Need to buy some more of them.
Yes, we do. They're kind of expensive. Now let's begin. Oh, a lot more powerful. All right, and just like that, we're done. When you're polishing these pontoon panels, you don't want to work long like you would on a boat like that. It's not thick gel coat. I'm not even sure if this is gel coat, honestly. I'm not a boat expert. No, it's not gel coat. It's honestly like a aluminum
it's coated
trailer.
aluminum.
Yeah, so you don't want to work long. You want to go fast. Now, we did earlier try to tape these railings up, but as soon as the buffer hit it, it tore the tape right off. So make sure when you're doing this, you always clean the railing right back off, because if you leave product on there and it bakes in the sun, it's going to stain the railing. Now, let me show you what all we tried to use. We tried to use Finish R. It wasn't strong enough for these water spots. And then go over to Ignition right there. Ignition is really good for black gel coat or black cars. Now, I do highly recommend going in with Finish R after you using Restructure or Level R, after you're done compounding. Only if you have to compound this. Now, this was really bad. That's why we went in with the compound. Now we're going to go in with Finish R when we're all done. This is a very, very good polish. Don't you agree, Barry?
Yep.
This is very good. So make sure you go to StarkeYachtCare.com. Buy this ASAP. It works very good on paint. It's like a one-step paint correction. Like,
yep,
it used to
best
take us
on the market.
Yes. It used to take us like 6 hours to do a paint correction, but this is literally one step. I feel like it kind of has a compound in there, like Level R. Maybe they do have that in there. I don't know. Can't prove it. But this is really good stuff. Make sure you use code ZIPPY15 for 15% off all Starke Yacht Care products. Thank you for watching.
Save you a few dollars on us.
Yes, save a few dollars on us, and make sure you hit that like button. You got anything else you want to say, Barry?
Nope.
All right, we're done. Thank you. Sorry, y'all, we're a little slow sometimes. Now, this is where I just did. We have not done down there. Now, look at that big difference. It is so smooth. Like I said, when you wash this, it's not going to get off all that dirt and grime. So you always want to make sure you maintain your pontoon. And we did do a tune polishing, so make sure you go and check out that video. And after you're done washing your pontoon, always dry it down, or you're going to be doing what we're doing. Make sure you like this video, and thank you very much for watching.